In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test a webhook in make.com. First, let's get Make ready to listen for your test. Open the scenario where you've added the Webhooks module as a custom webhook trigger. At the bottom left, click Run Once. You'll see a message that says something like, Waiting for data. That means Make is actively listening for a single incoming request. Keep this window open while you test. If the waiting period times out before your test arrives, no problem. Just click Run Once again to put it back into listening mode. Next, send a test request to the webhook URL you copied from that trigger. The best way is to send it from the actual app or service that will use the webhook, like your form tool, CRM, or event source. Paste your Make Webhook URL into that app's webhook configuration and use its built-in test option, or perform the action that would normally fire the webhook. Make sure you save any settings in the app before testing. The advantage of this method is that Make receives a realistic payload that reflects the real data you'll be working with later. If you prefer a quick manual test, you can send a simple HTTP request from the command line using curl or any HTTP client. For example, send a post request to your webhook URL with a content type of application/JSON and a small JSON body like test data. This mimics what a real app would send and is a fast way to confirm that the webhook is reachable. Use placeholder data that's enough to identify fields later, and avoid sharing your unique webhook URL publicly. As soon as your test hits the webhook, switch back to Make. You should see a green checkmark or a data bubble on the webhook module indicating the request was received. Click into the module or open the scenario's history to inspect the bundle of data that arrived. You'll be able to expand the payload, view each field, and confirm that everything you expect is present. Make automatically learns this structure from the sample, which makes field mapping in later modules much easier. If you don't see anything, double-check that the URL in your sending app matches exactly. Make sure the scenario is still in listening mode, and try sending again. That's it. You've put the webhook into listening mode, sent a test request, and verified the response in Make, setting a solid foundation for building the rest of your automation.